Hello YouTube, it's another Halloween season, and you can see I'm sporting a wizard's hat. And the reason why, I'm going to show you guys how I made a wizard spell book. And you can use this as a prop, or you can actually carry it on you, because we're putting a belt loop on it. So, hope this helps. Come join me. Now, I found this great sketch pad, leather bound. I'm going to cut this bungee off and replace it with this belt that I got at Goodwill. Add some beads, a little Gorilla Glue or some hot glue, some gold leafing, maybe a little snake or a little dragon toy, something like that I can paint gold and press onto it. Give it a little extra flair, make it a little bit more mystical, and let's get started. First I'm going to glue on these beads and these snakes. Okay, I got the beads and the little snakes on. One thing you should know about Gorilla Glue is it's not like a super glue. You gotta wait for it to set up, and normally it takes a couple hours. And it sometimes, you know, kind of expands like expansion foam, but with the consistency of resin. So you just gotta keep in mind you don't want to touch it for a couple hours. We'll just chip away at these little bits. It's alright because we're going to paint it gold anyways. Alright, I'm going to get some beads on the other side, kind of even it out. Press on. I scraped off all the excessive bubbled bits from the Gorilla Glue. Now I'm ready to paint. I know I showed you this, but this is kind of like out. I actually had to buy some more gold leafing. I'm just going to get all these little designs. Now that I got everything painted, it's all dry, I am going to put on a belt. So I'm going to have this come across and loop over so this part can hook onto a belt, and the wizard can just unbuckle it and, you know, have his spells ready. Now I got two types of hole punch. Almost every single pocket knife has a hole punch like this, and you just twist it in. Just for time constraints, I'm going to use this, but if you don't have one of those, you can always use the pocket knife. Okay, I'm just getting that first belt loop stitched together. And now that that's all taken care of, I can put a belt through where my hand is. Just need to attach it to these little holes. Okay, when you're done with all your stitching of your belt loop here and onto the belt itself, you can attach it. You can probably even stitch it to the inside right here if you need to. I'm not going to really worry about that at the moment, but that's it. And with your belt buckle on, you can attach it to pretty much any belt, just like so. And when you're ready to cosplay, find like a pirate belt or some sort of fancy medieval belt. And that nice little loop that we made, go right to it. And the wizard would have access to it at any given times. This would be a great just display piece by itself. Have it on your front porch for Halloween, or walk around as a wizard needing his spells. I'm going to put some D&D spells on it and use it as a cheat sheet for all the spells for all the spellcasters for my gaming. You do what you want. You guys have a great time. Hope this helps. Take care. God bless.